Hey YouTube, JP Dillon. It's kind of a sad day for this turntable. I wanted to talk about something that comes up a lot on these Technics linear trackers. This is an SL-7, and the problematic series of these is the SL-5, SL-7, SL-10, and SL-15. And they all develop one fatal flaw. Now, I'm not talking about the little belt that moves the arm across, or the fact that the control motor freezes up, usually because somebody put too tight of a belt on. I'm talking about this, where you press start, it hangs around for a little bit, it plays, and then it eventually aborts. Now, so I don't get a copyright infringement there, I'm going to turn that down. But what often happens is it'll play maybe through a song, or maybe 30 seconds, or maybe it'll play through an entire album, and then it lifts up and shuts off, as you see there. Now what that's due to is a failure of the wiring harness inside of the linear arm assembly. It's a very fine wiring harness, and it has to do with the record sensors. It has to do with the tangent tracking sensors, which tell the arm what angle it's at and whether to advance the motor or not. It tells it whether it's queued up or down. And the machine is programmed so that when there is an error, a tracking error or a queuing error, that it queues up and shuts off. That is a non-repairable failure due to the fact that there's no available parts for the arm. You would have to take it all apart and very carefully replace all of the wiring harness, which is about 15 connectors of number 30 wire. And it has to be done very, very carefully. So this one, unfortunately, is going to hit the scrap heap or be turned into parts because it's simply not worth the time to do. It's about a 4 or 5 hour job to do it right, and I have yet to find somebody that wants to pay that kind of money. So again, this affects the SL-5, SL-7, SL-10, SL-15, all of these quartz lock direct drive linear tracking systems that have the automatic record selection sensor. So just be aware of that. So that's the end of the line for this thing, unfortunately. So I just thought I'd share that information with you in case a lot of you hobbyists are taking these things apart and cleaning and lubing the lateral motion system, replacing the belt, and then still scratching your head when it fucks up. So there you go. Hope this little bit of information was helpful to you, and I hope I didn't ruin anybody's day with this thing. Anyways, more stuff to come soon. Thanks for watching.